Unveiling the Skies, the role of drone patrol. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that combines technology with security: drone patrols. Whether you've heard this term in the news or read about it online, it's becoming increasingly important in our modern world. So, let's unfold what it really means and why it matters to us. Drone patrol refers to the use of unmanned aerial vehicles, commonly known as drones, to monitor and surveil large areas from the sky. These high-tech devices are equipped with cameras and sensors, allowing them to capture live footage and data, which is then used for various purposes such as security, surveillance, and even wildlife monitoring. One of the biggest advantages of drone patrols is their efficiency and reach. They can cover vast areas that might be difficult or dangerous for humans to navigate. Additionally, drones can provide real-time feedback and data, which is crucial in emergencies or time-sensitive operations. Drone patrols are becoming commonplace across multiple sectors. They are used by law enforcement to combat crime, by environmental agencies to protect wildlife, and by border security to prevent illegal crossings. Their versatility makes them a valuable tool in many different fields. With the rise of drone patrols comes a significant concern: privacy. Drones can capture images and videos of private properties while on patrol, leading to debates about the balance between security and individual privacy rights. It's a complex issue that continues to evolve with technology. And there you have it. Drone patrols are reshaping how we approach surveillance and security. They offer a bird's-eye view that was once impossible, but also bring up important conversations about privacy. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of the term drone patrol and its implications in our world. Stay curious, and see you in the next video.